Alright, and for another tutorial video from Crypto Rolly, we will be looking at the Ichimoku clouds, okay? Ichimoku clouds also use moving averages in the indicator, so sometimes you will see same results, levels of resistance and support as you see in your EMA, SMA, or Bollinger Bands. However, they can add a little different perspective, especially with the clouds. I do like the clouds, and then the Kumo cross, okay? So basically you will go to your indicators, type in Ichimoku cloud. You can see it right here, okay? You'll click on that. When you get your Ichimoku cloud, go to the settings, and you can see there's the conversion line, the baseline, the lagging span, lead one. This is going to be, it depends on the cloud, but it's going to be, one of the levels of the cloud. This is the other level of the cloud. We'll look at that in a second, okay? The inputs, you want to have 20, 60, 120, and 30. I'll leave that there just for a second. Okay? So once you got that, I'll explain what's going on here. This is a link chart. Doesn't matter what chart it is. I just happen to be on it. So basically you have your conversion line and your baseline. If you want to get technical, the conversion line is called the Tinkinson and the baseline is called the Kijinsen. The lagging span is called the Chiku span. Okay? But if I said in all my videos Tinkinson, Kijinsen, Chiku span, no one would remember these, okay? So if you do want to know the proper terms, even the Sinku B and the Sinku A, we don't need all that, okay? Let's keep it simple here. So you have the blue conversion line, and again, in your settings, you can change the colors however you see fit. Blue conversion line, the pink baseline. When you get the blue conversion line crossing over the pink baseline here, that's called a Kumo cross. When you get a Kumo cross, that's either a bullish or bearish indicator depending on the direction. So since this one crossed above it, it'll be bullish. But in previous price action, if we go back, I'm sure we can find some. Let's see, this is not looking so good. Let's just go over to a Bitcoin while we're here. All right. No worries. So you can see here when the price was trending down, the pink baseline was above. You had the blue conversion line below. This was bearish. Once you had the cross here, let's see, we were coming down. No, let's look here. So this was a bullish cross here. This was a bearish cross. Okay, so it looked confusing there. There's a little bit of twisting. We did come above it, which was bullish, but this was a fake out pump. When the blue conversion line crossed back beneath the pink baseline, that would be a bearish Kumo cross. When the blue conversion came back beneath and came down this way, that was a bearish Kumo cross. Then it went back above the pink baseline, and that's your bullish Kumo cross, okay? So this is a bullish indicator on price, bearish indicator. Your lagging span, this green line that's behind the price, basically if this is above the price, the lagging span, it's bullish. If it's below the price, it's bearish, okay? And then you're looking at your Kumo clouds, okay? So let's look at maybe the weekly. Let's see what we can see here. Nothing, no. We'll go to the 12-hour. So when price is beneath the red cloud, it's bearish. When it's above a green cloud, it's bullish. The top of this cloud is going to be your support here, okay? And then if you break into the cloud, oftentimes when you do break the support level into the cloud, you may come all the way down to the bottom of the cloud, which is your next support, okay? If you come back up, the top of the cloud will become new resistance. If you can break above the cloud, it will become new support. It'll be a resistance flip support scenario, all right? Also, the blue conversion line and pink baseline can act as support and resistance as well. You can see it acted as support here. You can see support here, okay? And it can also act as resistance, as you can see back here. All right? As far as the red clouds, when you're beneath it, the bottom of the cloud is resistance. If you can break into it, it's likely you hit the top of the cloud, which is your next resistance. All right? So that's the Ichimoku clouds.